The best cheap cameras often never started out cheap. What happens is that cameras came out at one price, then got cheaper and cheaper the longer they stay on sale. So how do you know which one is the best one and the cheapest option and worth the money you spent on it? So in this video, I am going to show you 5 amazing cheap cameras that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which camera did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries related to gadgets, you can ask me on my Instagram handle. Panasonic Lumix G9. The Panasonic G9 is a very fast and effective camera for both 4K video and fast action sports and wildlife photography. It is unexpectedly substantial in your hands, which gives you a good grip, especially with the longer lenses, and the image quality is also very good despite the smaller MFT sensor. Initially it was quite expensive, but steady price drops have made the Lumix G9 a really tempting buy for enthusiasts and photographers alike. It is basically half the price now than when it was launched, but has specifications that are still cutting edge even by today's standards. Buy this amazing camera for its rock-solid DSLR style handling, 4K 60p recording, 20-60mm lens options are good, twin card slots, 4K 6K photo modes are given. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Sony a6000. For a time, this was our absolute favorite low price mirrorless camera. Now several years old, the a6000 was once a top end camera that got cheaper and cheaper as it get older. Later, a6000 series model beat it for video and autofocus features, but for regular stills photography, the a6000 is just as good at a fraction of the price. However, the prices have crept up in the last couple of years, so either Sony has realized that this camera is better than it thought it was. If you can check online, you can get a great deal to buy a6000. Buy this camera for its superb autofocus system, great image quality. The disappointments here are video not 4K here and no weather sealing. Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV. Best entry-level camera. The EM10 Mark IV was affordable right from the start, and it is one of the favorite cheap cameras for beginners, vloggers and travel fans. The Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV's predecessor, that is Olympus OMD EM10 Mark III, was a great camera with plenty to offer. However, its aging 16MP sensor and contrast autofocus left room for improvement. Luckily, the Mark IV is a great update with the same 20.3MP sensor as the Pen F and improved continuous autofocus. While some improvements are incremental, the Mark IV brings some interesting new offerings to the table, including a zippy 15fps continuous burst mode, which is just amazing. And you'll become a fan of its extra tiltable screen, which is capable of flipping 180 degrees down to create the perfect selfie screen. Buy this amazing camera from Olympus for its updated 20MP sensor, flip down monitor. The disappointments here are its plastic build and there is no mic port for vloggers. Nikon D3500. The best cheap DSLR. The entry-level model in Nikon's DSLR range is small and light and yet affordable and yet comfortable to grip. It's an entry-level model, but it has a 24.2MP sensor as good as those in the cameras at twice the price, and it offers very good 5 fps continuous shooting speed for a beginner's camera. The guide mode will help beginners get started and understand the basic principles, and the D3500 has all the manual controls you need to learn about photography as you improve your skills. The lowest prices include a non-VR kit lens, but we would recommend paying the little bit extra for the VR version of the 1852mm standard zoom. On paper, the D3500 looks no better than the Canon Rebel T7 or 2000D, but Nikon is the best and lot more better than that camera from Canon. Buy this amazing camera for its great image quality, neat retracting kit lens and beginner friendly. The only disappointment here is it comes with a fixed screen which is not touch sensitive. Panasonic Lumix GX85 or GX80, overall the best cheap camera. Diminutive G80X, G80 in some territories, has an older 16MP micro four thirds sensor but still takes top quality images and can also shoot 4K video. The built-in electronic viewfinder, amazing in mirrorless camera at this price, makes it a great option for using in harsh sunlight or dark conditions. While the tilting screen makes it easy to shoot from the ground level. Together with the Panasonic's tiny micro four thirds lenses, this makes it perfect for traveling or holidays. These days it looks like you can only get the great little camera in a twin lens kit, which also includes the compact Panasonic 45-150mm telephoto. It's a great combination at a great price, but being a twin lens kit, it does push the price up. Buy this amazing camera for its 4K video recording, electronic viewfinder. The disappointments here are, it comes with the only 16 megapixel sensor and restricted tilt screen range. So these are the 5 amazing cheap cameras that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.